The rise of home-based businesses and remote work. Home-based businesses and remote work have experienced a significant surge in popularity in recent years. The advancements in technology, coupled with changing attitudes towards work, have contributed to this rise. Here are some factors driving the growth of home-based businesses and remote work. Technological advancements. The increasing accessibility and reliability of high-speed internet connections, along with the availability of various digital tools and platforms, have made remote work a viable option for many industries. Advancements in communication technology have facilitated seamless collaboration across distances. Changing work culture. Traditional office environments and the 9-to-5 routine no longer align with the evolving work culture. Many professionals seek greater flexibility and autonomy in their work lives. Home-based businesses and remote work offer the freedom to design a work style that suits individual preferences and needs. Globalization and outsourcing. Globalization has opened up opportunities for companies to tap into talent from around the world. Remote work allows organizations to access a wider pool of skilled professionals regardless of geographical location. It also enables cost savings by outsourcing certain tasks or projects to remote workers. Environmental impact. Remote work contributes to a reduction in carbon emissions and environmental impact. With fewer commuters, there is less traffic congestion and pollution. Additionally, remote work reduces the need for physical office spaces, leading to energy savings and a smaller carbon footprint. Work-life balance. The desire for a better work-life balance has significantly influenced the rise of home-based businesses and remote work. By eliminating long commutes and providing greater flexibility, remote work allows individuals to allocate more time to personal pursuits and family responsibilities. The rise of home-based businesses and remote work is expected to continue as technology advances and attitudes towards work continue to evolve. Embracing this shift can unlock numerous opportunities for individuals and organizations alike.